of you might have seen a pH strip. So when you dip this strip inside any water solution or any other solution which is chemical, it changes its color according to the pH of that solution. Now most of the readers comes with a standard strip color, and we have to match our strip with the color that we have onto the pH strip. So basically we want to automate this process. Now in this automation, what we will have is a strip, uh, mostly a color strip with multiple bands. So each of this band will have different shades of colors, and then there will be a camera. Now as it has to be a portable unit, this camera will be connected to a standalone board called RPi or Raspberry Pi. Now there will be a lightning system to eliminate this strip, and then there will be a closed enclosure so that external effects can be avoided. So this closed enclosure can have a cassette type arrangement where you will load your strip, and once that strip enters there will be a image processing. So basically we have to apply a OpenCV algorithm to determine the color of that strip. Now remember, this color will fade away with time, so there must be some standard calibration which we might print over a strip. So there could be a QR code reader that reads the date of manufacturing of that strip, and then accordingly calibrate the evaporation effect for that particular strip. Now this entire thing has to be done using an embedded system with a standalone touchscreen display for the user. So RPi will come with its own 3.5-inch touchscreen display, and basically that display will show the final output. Along with that, there will be a wireless communication. Since we are using Raspberry Pi 3B Plus, this wireless communication allows us to communicate with the mobile using Wi-Fi. So with the help of this IoT technology, we will be having one app. That app can show the display of that strip onto the mobile, and app will also have an internet connection to the mobile, so that it can be transferred this data either via Raspberry Pi to the Gmail of the doctor or Gmail of the concerned party. So email sending facility is also there, and this is a product level uh, project. So finally it has to be a portable, and it should be industry ready. So there might be multiple iterations we have to do so that it is perfect for the users. So that's the explanation of this project, and we are using USB webcam over here and some basic image processing algorithm.